right, so now we're going to do some application problems with these quadratic and polynomial equations. So just a few word problems at the end of this section. So this example says the product of two consecutive odd integers is 323. Find the integers. Okay, so let's break this down and figure out what this means. So now consecutive means one after another, right? Consecutive odd integers means odd integers that are one after the other. Okay, so some examples of consecutive integers would be 3, 5, and 7. And these are three consecutive odd integers. Or you could have 15, 17. These are two consecutive odd integers. Right? So the way we set this up, we say x is the first integer, right? And if this is your x, then the next one, because it's odd, the next one along is going to be x plus 2. All right, so you have to add 2 to it to go to the next odd integer in line. So x plus 2 is going to be your second integer. Now, the product means multiply. Okay, so it says if you multiply these integers, so if I multiply x and x plus 2, their product is going to be 323. Okay? All right, so I get this equation. Because this is not 0, we got to distribute first. So we have x squared plus 2x equals 323. Now we got to make it equal to 0, so we're going to subtract 323 from both sides. We get x squared plus 2x minus 323 equal to 0. All right, now we're going to factor this. So I x times x, and I need two integers that multiply to give me negative 323 and add up to give me positive 2. Okay, so they need to be pretty close to each other, and they need to be odd because that's what we're looking for. So let's try like maybe 21 times 23. Now that's too big, 483. Let's try 17 times 19. That's it. Okay, so we have 19 and negative 17. So we have x plus 19 and x minus 17. Alright, so we separate these. This gives me x equals negative 19. And this gives me x equals positive 17. Okay? So this does not give me the two answers that I'm looking for. X is just the first integer that I'm looking for. We have two choices here. We have two options. So the first option for the first integer is to be negative 19. Now the second integer is going to be 2 more than this, so it's going to be negative 17. Okay, so negative 19 and negative 17 is one answer. All right. Now the other option, if it's the first integer is 17, and then the second integer is going to be x plus 2, 17 plus 2 is 19. So the other answer is that your two numbers are 17 and 19. Okay, because it didn't say that they have to be positive or negative, both of these are correct answers. Okay.